Good morning. It's October 5th, 2014. This is John from Betty Nick's Main Tackle, Seaside Park, New Jersey, and BettyNicks.com. Your daily boating, fishing, weather conditions report. Well, here's our weekly blow. Get a wind every single week. It's actually not bad though. Fairly laid down, clean, nice white water, good fishing. We had good fishing yesterday, 10 bass yesterday. And I think the rain's pretty much out of here now. Looks like it's starting to clear up. We actually might even see some sun by this afternoon. But I think it's definitely going to be clear this afternoon. It's supposed to go southwest, which will really knock this down. And then tomorrow, west and gorgeous and nice and crisp. Cool weather. But not as bad as I thought. Looks like good water. Yeah, maybe we'll see somebody. Peace.